Welcome to Mojokerto. Mojokerto was the center of civilization of the Majapahit Kingdom in ancient times. The Majapahit Kingdom was one of the largest kingdoms ever in the archipelago. The Majapahit Kingdom's area covered most of Indonesia as far as the Malay Peninsula, Papua, Singapore, and several Philippine islands. The greatness of the Majapahit Kingdom can also be found through its heritage sites spread across Mojokerto Regency, especially in Trowulan Subdistrict. These relics are in the form of building foundations, temples, gates, and water reservoirs. One of the efforts of the local community to preserve the greatness of the Majapahit Kingdom is by making replicas of the symbols and relics of the Majapahit Kingdom through handicrafts. One of them is batik. Batik artisans in Mojokerto Regency adapted the forms of symbols and relics by applying them to batik fabric. One of the batik home industries that emphasize Majapahit motifs is Negi Batik Tulis Majapahit. Negi Batik Tulis Majapahit is located in Dinoya Village, Jatireja Subdistrict, Mojokerto Regency. The industry is located about 15 kilometers from Mojokerto Square to the south. Negi Batik Tulis Majapahit was established in 2008 by Mrs. Henny Yunina. Negi stands for Nina Ethnic Garment Indonesia. Initially, Mrs. Henny had a Muslim clothing confection industry. Then, she switched to the batik home industry after batik was recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage. This transition was motivated by Mrs. Henny's desire to develop Majapahit batik motifs in domestic and foreign communities. Negi Batik Tulis Majapahit offers batik products such as batik fabric, scarves, tissue boxes, and sarongs. The products are produced with Majapahit motifs. This motif is inspired by the form of ornaments and reliefs that represent the philosophy and cultural values of the Majapahit Kingdom. Some of the Majapahit motifs are Surya Majapahit motif, Candi Bajang Ratu motif, Candi Brahu motif, Candi Tikus motif, Candi Ringi Lawang motif, Gajah Mada motif, Buah Maja motif, and Merak Surya motif. These motifs seem classic and have their philosophy. In making batik, there are three techniques used, namely the handwritten technique, the stamp technique, and the semi-technique. The handwritten technique is a batik technique using canting containing hot liquid wax by drawing motifs on the fabric. The stamping technique is a batik technique that uses a stamp tool made of copper and paper by dipping it in hot liquid wax and then stamping it on the fabric. And the semi-technique is a batik technique that combines the handwritten and stamp technique on the same fabric. Negi Batik Tulis Majapahit products use natural coloring, which makes the batik fabric elegant and safe for the skin. If you come to Negi Batik Tulis Majapahit directly, you can find the gazebos, batik gallery, workshop, and garden. There are two gazebos designed like traditional Japanese houses. The gazebos are decorated with batik fabric, farmers' hats, and umbrellas that beautify the building. This building functions as a public batik training. Besides the gazebo, a batik gallery displays some of the products from this batik home industry. Next to the batik gallery, there is a workshop that functions as a place for batik artisans to make batik. Surrounding the building is a vast garden. The garden has seating with a beautiful view of the pond. In addition, the garden is equipped with plants that make the atmosphere more natural. This place also brought the beauty of colorful fabric which adorn this location. Activities that customers can do here besides buying batik products, customers can take batik training. In batik training, visitors are taught to make batik from the first stage to the final stage, assisted by the owner and batik artisans of this batik home industry. The results of batik training can be taken home as gifts. These are the variants of batik training package at Negi Batik Tulis Majapahit. The visitors are joining the batik training range from children, teenagers, to adults. Not only the local people, but also foreigners have participated in the batik training. In 2019, Negi Batik Tulis Majapahit had the opportunity to be visited by the Colombo Plan, which was attended by representatives of 13 Southeast Asian countries in the capacity building program on enhancing the development of small and medium industry. Visitors who come to join the batik training are pretty crowded, and buyers feel satisfied and happy when buying products from Negi Batik Tulis Majapahit. Not only conducting batik training, but Negi Batik Tulis Majapahit also participated in several national and international exhibitions. Undoubtedly, with the development of this batik home industry to an international scale, Negi Batik Tulis Majapahit has an ISO International Standardization Organization 9001-2015 Quality Management Systems certificate that has proven its competence as an industry that produces written and stamp batik on July 20, 2019. Are you interested in wearing batik from Negi Batik Tulis Majapahit? You can buy it directly at the batik home industry by scanning this barcode, or you can visit several social media such as Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, and Shopee, or contact the WhatsApp number below.